Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best website. This is Ethereum website. You can earn Ethereum just watching advertisement from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website name is SpeedSatosh. Okay, this is Ethereum website. If you like my videos, watch my video until end. Okay, this website link available in description. First, you register yourself. Okay, put your name, username, password, and email and password. And just click create account. You can create your account. If you have account, you can log in your account like this. Okay, and this website pay you much more. This is the light website. A lot of people have a payment. 2 years this website is running, and this website pay a lot of people. Some of the people don't reach the minimum amount, they leave the website. Okay, the first one you can claim from this website. The first one is the Faucet. You can claim the Faucet and you can earn some Ethereum from the Faucet. Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, you can see you can claim from Faucet. Okay, the first one is the manual, the next one is random Faucet. You can claim. Okay, and the next one is the bonus. You can reach the all complete the all things the bonus told you can claim your bonus. Okay, this is the all available bonus you can claim. And the next one is the game. You can play game and you can earn much more. The 6 game available in this website. This is the all game you can just play. And the next one is the short link. You can complete the short link and you can earn from here too. You can complete all the short links and you can earn much more from this website. Okay, I show you how much the short links available in this website. This much is available short link in this website. Okay, you can just click, and some of these click 5 times, 4 times. You can earn much more just clicking the short links. Okay, and the next one is it's watching just advertisement and you can earn just watching ads. Okay, just I click, share we do the ads. Okay, this is all about available ads in this website. If you watch 10 seconds, they pay you this much Ethereum, this much Ethereum. Okay, every 10 seconds. And the lower B, this is the all ads you just click and watch. Okay, and the next one is the mining. But I tell you one thing, don't waste your time to mining. Okay, the mining didn't pay you much more. You can complete offers and you can earn much more just completing offers. Okay, you can see this is the all available offers. You can just click offer for all and another offer like withdrawal, and this is all offer. Just complete some survey and install games, and you can just reach the amount. You just install the game and you complete this level. Okay, and they pay you reach this much coin, they pay you, and this is the all games available. Okay, you can just install this game. You can see they reaching this level, and just open the complete first purchase okay, and you can complete level 8, you can earn, and this for iPhone and this for Android, pay much more from just one game. And you just install this game, reach this level, they pay you this much. For iPhone, reach this level, pay you this much, reach the next level, pay you much more, okay. And you can just complete the levels and you can earn much more just completing the level, okay. You can just go to withdrawal and you can complete your withdrawal too, okay. And this website link available in description. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.